HY16C Small Hydraulic Excavator. With advanced technology and efficient performance, redefining new standards for small construction machinery. Core configuration comprehensively improves stability and efficiency. Synchronous advanced. The driving experience is comfortable and smooth. Equipped with LCD instrument panel. Structural design is more reasonable and efficient. Equipped with Kubota D722 engine. Powerful. With mobile phone holder and water cup holder. Enhanced driving safety. The whole machine is easy to operate. Rapid operation response. Effectively improve operation portability. Total track length 1,392 millimeters. Maximum digging depth 1,780 millimeters. Bucket capacity 0.03 cubic meters. Maximum excavation height 2,970 millimeters. Flexible response to a variety of working conditions. Enhanced job diversity and adaptability. Equipped with arm side swing function. Maximum deflection angle up to 90 degrees. Flexible adjustment of the working angle in a small space. Easily adapt to different job sites. Maximum walking speed 17 kilometers per hour. Balancing efficiency with a sense of control. HY16C excavator with hardcore strength. Reshaping a new benchmark for engineering efficiency.